Welcome to the next step in our journey with RFEM 6. Now that we've completed the modeling and loading of our steel hull, it's time to dive into the calculations. In this video, we'll explore various ways to initiate calculations in RFEM. First, there's the handy Calculate All button, which allows you to calculate all load cases, design situations, and load combinations in one go. Alternatively, you can expand the Calculate menu and choose from available calculate options. What's exciting is our new RFEM 6 harnesses the power of your computer's processor, running multiple solvers in parallel for models with numerous load combinations. This optimized approach ensures faster calculations and maximizes core utilization. Before diving into calculations, you can fine-tune specific load combinations by defining settings. If we open the Load Cases and Combinations dialog and navigate to the Load Combinations tab, we can customize options such as Stability Analysis if you own the add-on, along with Structure Modification, and a couple other options. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the Calculate button at the bottom to initiate the calculation for the chosen load combination. Upon a successful calculation, the results will be displayed on your model. To explore these results, head to the Results Navigator tab, where you can view various data such as deformations, internal forces, and support reactions. If you would like your deformations to show as a colored cross-section for the members, down in the panel below is where you can change the way the results are viewed graphically. Under Deformations, Members, you can select Section Colored. Then in the Control panel, you can go to the Colors Global Deformations tab to see the values correlating with the color itself. To show the member results along with support reaction results, these need to be checked on also under the Results Navigator panel. Keep in mind that results are specific to the selected load combination. If you wish to view results for a different loading or combination, RFEM 6 will prompt you to initiate the calculation. Now you're well equipped to perform calculations in RFEM 6. In our next video, we'll dive into graphical input and tabular results. Until then, happy modeling.